Okay friends, how to connect a Protonix wireless keyboard to S25 Ultra. Okay, you can see this is my keyboard and there is a button turn on and turn off. Click here, now it is turned on, you can see here, and it is working on Bluetooth, yellow blue color. So we are going to turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, if we search for you can press this button for the getting the result is here. Scan once again. Open connections, go to Bluetooth, and you can see here you can just press and hold this one. Now it is blinking fast, so you can see here BT1 BT2. So click on BT1, click here request, and BT1 is connected. So Bluetooth is connected. You can see here I'm back, so it is working. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So, and also you can type here yes copy. Okay, so that's guys.